Okay, I'm back in my kitchen today with more kimchi, and today I'm using some older kimchi that's kind of gone sour, and we're gonna make some kimchi bokkeumbap, or kimchi fried rice. Super easy to make, one of my favorite meals ever. I love it. So basically what I have here, I have some kimchi, and it's starting to turn a little bit sour. That's the best kind to make kimchi fried rice. I have half an onion and probably about 6 cups of cold rice. So let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna do is slice up this onion. And move that aside. I'm going to dump this kimchi here on the cutting board. And I'm basically just gonna give the kimchi a rough cut. This is probably about, I don't know, 2 to 3 cups. Boom, that's prep, we're done. Okay, like I said, it's super easy to make. I just chopped up some onion, chopped up some kimchi. I have some sesame oil here that I'm gonna use in my wok. You could use any neutral oil, but I prefer the sesame oil. So I'm gonna toss some sesame oil in my wok. Okay, got the stove going here. Let the wok heat up real quick. I'm gonna drop the kimchi and the onion in and let it cook a few minutes. Add the cold rice. Never use warm rice. No, mushy kimchi fried rice. This was one of the first dishes I ever ate when I went to Korea, and I've been eating it ever since. I absolutely love it. It's probably one of my favorite comfort foods. It's so easy to make. Smells so good. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna add the cold rice now. It's probably about 6 cups, I'm guessing. So I just want to break this rice down and get it incorporated really well into the kimchi and the onion. Smells so good in here. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt. Give that one last mix. Okay, popped a fried egg on top there. A little bit of sesame seed underneath. So let's get a bite of this. So good. I gotta admit, normally I use 2 sunny side up eggs. I love that yolk when it gets down into the rice. One more bite. If you want, you can just drop some sesame seeds on top of the kimchi fried rice, or a sunny side up fried egg works as well. I like it both ways. Frankly, I prefer it with the egg. And there you have it, kimchi fried rice, kimchi bokkeumbap. Give it a try. It's real easy to make and super delicious.